Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 322, Website Record. When editing the details for a Power Pages site in the Power Platform Admin Center, one of the options is to change the website record. In this tip, we'll look at what this controls. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In the Power Platform Admin Center, if you go to Power Pages, open up a specific site, and click Edit in the Site Details section, you'll see a drop-down for Website Record. The options in this list include all the rows that appear in the website table in Dataverse. Note that the websites that appear in the list are only those that are of the same data model of the current website record. If your site is using the enhanced data model, the options are only those rows in the MSPP_website table. If your site is using the standard data model, the options are only those rows in the ADX_website table. This dropdown controls which of the website rows in Dataverse, along with all of its associated data, is used by this particular Power Pages site, or more specifically, by the web app in Azure that runs the site. Changing this setting drastically changes your site, since the Dataverse data controls the vast majority of the functionality of the site, such as the theme, the pages, the forms, the permissions, and so much more. It's important to note that you won't really lose anything, other than perhaps a bit of time, by changing this setting, since you can easily switch it back to the original value. In our next tip, we'll look at when you typically want to change the website record for a site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 322 on website record useful.